2/2/2 Citrus Springs Home. Great opportunity to own your home on 0.27 acres. You'll appreciate this split floor plan with 1,317 living space, complete with living/dining area and a generously sized eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar, giving you plenty of storage. The master bedroom comes complete with an ensuite and you'll enjoy sipping your favorite refreshment from your oversized Florida room that looks out to the backyard complete with storage shed. No carpet, 2-car garage, roof and air conditioner 2014. Citrus Springs offers a golf course, tennis courts, community center, library, park, gas stations, restaurants and shopping with no HOA fee. You are only a few minutes from the Rainbow River with its crystal clear water, 3 miles from Dunnellon and a block from the Withlacoochee State Trail and tennis courts. You will be in close proximity to all things the Nature Coast has to offer, such as boating, kayaking, swimming, snorkeling, diving, scalloping, fishing, hunting, shopping, dining, and so much more. Don't wait, this home will not last.